You ready?
I don't know. I'm scared.
At least we got our life vests on.
Yeah, we're safe.
Here goes nothing.
Woo!
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Robbie Sucks. And today we are gonna finish this Riviera and put it on the road. Check it out.
Should say on the lake.
Oh, hey. Let's talk about what we got left. So today, we're finishing the interior. Come this way. So as you can see, back seats installed, front end's almost completely done with the gauge cluster here and everything else, but we're gonna put the seats in, we're gonna wrap up these wires and make sure everything is done, and hopefully, in the end of this video, we're ready to cruise.
Or swim.
or swim. All right, Martin.
Okay.
Tell me what the struggle is with the seat.
Yeah, well, problem is there's a bracket. This is supposed to have a bolt in the top of it that holds this in. And you probably can't see it very well, but the problem is it's not attached to the seat, so there's no way to actually adjust the seat. So we're going to have to take the whole seat bracket off, try to find a bolt that actually fits in this so it's attached. And we'll go ahead and go through and clean it up and grease everything and put it back on and see if it works. Yeah, good luck.
Cool thing about the 1967 Riviera is that, yes, it is a luxury car. And so, being that it's a luxury car, this is also cutting edge. They had electric seats,
yes,
electric windows, they had everything else. So
rear air conditioning.
rear air conditioning. So right now we're trying to make sure this thing works as advertised, and we'll give it our best shot.
Yep.
Alright, so if you look right here, we found this nut, and it goes on top of that actuator that goes up and down, allowing this to raise and or lower. Whoops. You want to go ahead and give them a demonstration?
Yeah, so it's basically a worm drive that runs this. It's just a little electric motor. So that lowers the seat down.
Yep.
Kind of a cool setup. Well, I won't tear that one up.
Yeah,
it's in a bad angle. And then this one is 4.5, so I think it's kind of cool.
Very cool.
Yeah. So now it works.
Would you look at that? Looks like a seat to me.
Captain's seat.
Oh.
Dingy thing.
See this power plant. Oh, hey-oh. Would you look at that?
And what's nice is she fires right up.
First turn of the key, baby.
Hey, let's give them a little,
You want the show?
let's do the show.
Let's give them the show.
Purrs like a kid.
Purring like a kid. Oh yeah. HCI distributor, granule alternator, air cleaner, pump sniper EFI. This thing's pretty sweet, man. I really like this a lot. This came out really, really good. Alright, to the victor go the spoils. We're driving in the Riviera. This thing is floating down the river, going for a cruise. What do you say, Mark?
Yeah, we're floating in rough water because this thing's got some cut springs.
We didn't do suspension work.
We did not. This was the good old let's torch the springs to lower it. Crap. Don't do that.
Don't do that.
By lowering springs or do something better, because yeah, this thing floats.
Oh yeah, we're hitting some wake.
We're hitting some waves.
We're hitting some wake here. Should have brought a
Yeah.
We're in it.
And it's not a dinghy. This thing is like a full-size vessel.
Yacht.
Yeah.
Holy smokes, this boat is huge. TR-25. Sitting pretty. That Holly Sniper.
Yeah. And this car is literally ran with the Sniper maybe, 30 minutes altogether.
Yeah, I know. We're in the learning phase right now.
And this thing is running better than it did with the carburetor, which was an 800 CFM Q-Jet and points distributor. Now we have HEI distributor. We have fuel injection. Soon we'll have disc brakes, air ride, because that's on the list too. Not with the white interior yet, but supposedly the customer wants white interior.
All right, so there you have it. The Buick floats, it runs, it drives. Purrs like a kitten. We're out here swimming. You know, we've learned a lot on this resto mod. We're still not done. We still have to figure out minor things, turn signals. I guess it's kind of a major thing. But
Well, they were working and now they're not, so.
well,
we're
we
gonna
also
go through it.
redid the entire wiring system.
Yeah.
That's all brand new. So we'll find it. We'll get to the bottom of it. But dude,
We're not giving up.
no. Even if it sucks,
Yes.
don't give up. You guys know the drill. Like, subscribe. Keep coming back for Robbie Sucks. Hit me up if you want that Robbie swag. And we'll see you next time. Hey, real quick. Do you have the number for the Coast Guard?
I do not, but we can find it.
I mean, just in case we sink.
Oh, yeah, true.